tutorial, part of Network Security Product Management team at SonicWall. I'm here to unbox the latest firewall from SonicWall. I have a back box here. So, a quick start guide, the manual. Here's the firewall, here's the top side, and here's the bottom panel. On the front panel, I have the LEDs, which could be seen here. The interface LEDs that would show activity on these interfaces and up-down status. The DC power supply LED. Then there are alarms and interfaces, up-down events. On the back panel, you will see the actual interfaces, 1 SFP and 4 copper ports. Here's the DC power supply, and here's are the USB ports and the console port for USB connectivity in cases of LTE, 5G, or you want to connect a modem. I have a power cable. I see a USB cable, console port, console cable, and a DIN rail mount. In case you want to connect this box to a rack, you need a DIN rail mount. So we do supply with that. An important point to note is TZ80 firewall only operates with a license. So you need to make sure that you license the box before starting to use it. We are also supplying active migrations, which means you can do an in-product migration when you have an older box like SOHO or SOHO W, and you can do an in-product migrations of settings.